What's up, everybody? I am back. It's been a long time. It's been about 3 weeks, actually. I was home for a while for the holidays, and I wasn't even planning on being home that long. As I'm sure you probably seen on the news, there are so many flights getting canceled right now. I was having a really, really hard time getting back here to Texas. And then an even harder time when I got back to Texas and they lost my luggage. That was a lot of fun. Thank you, Delta. Big shout out to you guys for making it harder. Just kidding. Not really. Anyways, first day back today, I slept in this morning, coming off of the kind of slower December than I was hoping for. I ended the month down $6,000, which is basically one trade in December. Just really choppy, very choppy. And towards the end of the month, I kind of stopped being in front of my screens as much all day because I was realizing how much mental energy it was taking out of my day. And that's my goal this year, 2021. Oh, wow. Already started. There was the first time I did it. 2022 trading resolution for me is to step away from the screen more. I put out a tweet about it. Basically, my thought process being, when I'm sitting in front of the screens all day, I am a lot more tempted to take those B setups, those C setups. And actually, I'm not really that opposed to B setups. The C setups are the ones that are very questionable. When they work, sure, it's fine. It'll give me a nice 2 or 3 to 1. The problem is they fail often. So getting away from the screens and just not even, I've got no problem with enjoying life outside of trading. The reason I want to get away from the screens is really to cut that addiction off. I've got no problem admitting I'm addicted to trading. And I need to cut that off so I can really focus more on sizing up on the right setups only. And I did that today. I slept in. I woke up and checked the market, checked the gappers, and I was like, okay, there's nothing I like. Went back to bed. It was nice. I might do it again tomorrow. But actually, I won't do it again tomorrow because I do have a really, really fun watch for myself tomorrow. Hopefully, it can pan out. Ended the day down $300, and I'll explain why. So on Friday, I took a swing that I didn't really completely mean to swing. And when I woke up this morning, it turned out to be a pump and dump. So I lost a couple thousand. I had very small share size. I had 2,000 shares and I lost basically $2 a share, which sucked, but made it back at the end of the day. And we'll go over that real quick. So RELI starting off here, really nice daily chart breakout. It was perfect because I came back to my screen probably 10 or 15 minutes before this worked. Let's go to a 2-day. And so that breakout level was $8.20. I got in here at 766 I only took 2,500 shares. I had written out, I was watching it in this area this area as it recovered. I was hoping after this test, we had one more, maybe a little bit of a bigger dip down and then some consolidation and then rip. Could have taken more size then. But that being said, I got a really nice $2 a share on it. Sold my first pieces up in the 820s, 840s, and my last piece at $9.50 or $9.48. I mean, close enough. So that was really nice. Good trade. Locked in, I think 2,200 on that. Overall, nice trade. Easy, stress-free. Literally was never down on it. Was hoping to add though. That was the one thing I was hoping to find an add spot, but there simply wasn't. There wasn't anywhere I could add, which is fine. GNPX day one, really, this was the strongest stock of the day. And if you guys caught the live stream today, you saw me buying first here at 306, then again here at 307 on this breakout. And I wrote it up, sold my first pieces in the 320s. And then my last bit, I got out at 341. Nice trade there, locked in about $1,500 on that. NTRB, I made a few $100 on, but this is my top watch tomorrow for that 3rd day surge. We are still red on the day technically, but really beautiful. I was actually hoping for a bigger move. I was hoping for a nice day 2 on this. A lot of times when these find bases down here on that day 2, I love that under VWAP. Then we get that perk. I got it here. Well, I started here at 885, cut right here on this dump. I'll zoom in a little. Cut here on this dump. Let me get that 1 minute going. And then as soon as I saw them, actually I cut here. And then as soon as I saw them soak this up, I rebought 895 through this breakout, sold most into that first 920 push, sold the rest in the 830 or the 930 push. And now I'm just going to be watching this tomorrow. This is a really, really strong watch for me. I will size on this. I will use size on this. Hopefully it doesn't do it pre-market if it's going to do it, but I'll be watching this all day. Now the pump and dump I was caught in was UCL. Ended the day down 40%. So I bought this yesterday. It looked a lot to me like HX. did back before it started to run. So I said, you know what, I'll take some small share size and set a stop in at $6. Well, I forgot I didn't put a good till cancel stop in. And all of a sudden I looked and it was down at 550. I was like, oh my God. And so I figured at 550 would see if we could bounce. And I turned my head away for a minute or two and it was down at 5. So I cut it at 5. I bought here at 6:30 yesterday or Friday. And so I lost $4,000 on that. Again, completely forgetting that I didn't set the good till cancel stop. So it was a mistake on my end. It's fine. I'm not really concerned. I did have some good plays at the end of the day, which thankfully saved me. Also looking at BFRI tomorrow for an actual first green day bounce attempt. If we can get a gap up on it, would be really nice. Break through the 730 level, hopefully push into the 8 or 9s. But this has been a tougher one. I've been trying to play the first green day on it. Tried it this day, and I mean, it worked, but then it failed really hard at the end of the day, which I was hoping for more continuation up to the $12, $11 area. I mean, is what it is. Decent couple watches, but still nothing too crazy in the market today. IMMX was another top percent gainer, which unfortunately just faded off all day after this failed breakout attempt. So, yeah, plan moving forward just to really focus on the A+ setups. I mean, I'm not going to be in front of my screen as much. But that being said, I came back today. I came to the office today a little bit later. I traded a tiny bit from home this morning, but when I got back in the office, then we did some live trading. So if you guys are not watching that, it's going to be a slightly different time every day, but it'll be roughly from that 2 to 4 p.m. within that range. Be sure to have your post notifications on YouTube so you can see me going live every day. Again, we might be moving that into small cap rockets only soon. For now, we're still doing it on YouTube, but be sure to watch it while you can. And I think that's all I've got for today. Andrew, what do the people need to do that are watching this video?
Yeah, guys, just like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, thank you guys. Make sure, do everything Andrew just said. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow for tomorrow's live trading and small cap recap. Until then, sayonara. We hope you guys enjoyed that last video. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of the StocksTrade community. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we can't do it without your help. So if you enjoy what we're putting out and want to hear more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.